Hi, welcome to ArtCenter Library. I'm going to show you a very brief tutorial about the e-resources that are available on Los Angeles Public Library's website. So I'm going to share my screen with you. The fastest way to find it is Los Angeles Public Library. Google it. Just click on the link, and sometimes it takes a while to load. I'm already signed in. You have to have an e-library card. And you see here you got an e-card registration. So you can do that. It gives you an e-card number and a PIN number, which is going to be your phone number. So that's it for the e-cards. You'll see down here, ebooks and audiobooks, movies, TV, video, music, and podcasts. There's actually one menu that shows all of these, so you can click any of these three, and it takes you to the next page, which is e-media and digital content. It gives you an overview with all of the logos here, and you can click into that and see lists, or you can keep scrolling down and you see a gigantic list of all of the different things that you've seen above. So if you click on one for Digitalia Public Library, it'll tell you what that is. You want to know what's an overdrive and Libby? It'll tell you what that is. Here's Canopy, which we also have at ArtCenter, but the Canopy at Los Angeles Public Library has a much wider range of titles. And there's also newspapers, magazines. There's online learning, so you can also go to lynda.com, for example, which is really cool. And I'm going to click on it. And it should already be signed in. No. So I'm going to add my library card number and my library card PIN and log in. And there's Lynda, and they offer all kinds of visual tutorials of many, many, many things. So if you want to learn Excel, you want to get better at Microsoft Word, there are tutorials here. If you notice, there's how become a web designer. There's art-related things, like if you want to do InDesign, that's on here, tutorials. There's all kinds of amazing things you can do there. And I'm going to go back. If you keep scrolling down again, you're going to get to language learning. If you're interested in learning a language, you can go to Mango. You can learn almost anything. There's children's stuff if you're into kids' books, if you're an illustrator. There's job-seeking resources. And finally, there's resources in Spanish. So that's the overview of the e-media and digital contents for Los Angeles Public Library.